Oh my goodness. Look. The mega choco apocalypse? I need it.
Liya, no. That's absurdly huge. And expensive.
But I want it. I want it.
Absolutely not. We're on a budget. Put it back.
What?
I said no, Liya. End of discussion.
No.
Oh no.
I hate you. I hate you all. I want my chocolate. Give it to me.
Here we go. Liya, darling, please.
Liya, that's enough. We're leaving.
No. You can't make me.
Liya, sweetie. Please, stop. Everyone is looking. Don't you see what you're doing?
Humph. Oh, I'll show you. No chocolate. No peace.
Oh my word! She just kicked it.
Oh no, 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 no.
You call yourselves parents?
Liya, get off that cart. Look what you've done.
I did it for me. Because you refuse to give me what I need.
My sweetie, the store it's falling apart.
Good. Let it crumble. It deserves to crumble.
Liya, you're being utterly unreasonable.
Unreasonable? You're the ones who are mean. You're the reason for everything.
Liya, you are grounded. For 8 billion years.
I don't care. I'll just ground you. For 1 billion trillion years.
Oh no, 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 no. She can't do that. Can she?
Oh yes I can. Watch me.
Liya, stop this madness.
Only if I get my chocolate.
All right, folks, what's going on here? Whoa. This is extensive.
Aha. Finally. You're here to investigate the crime against my taste buds. They tried to deny me the mega choco apocalypse. A human right.
Little girl, we're here for everyone's safety.
Everyone's safety? What about my safety? My chocolate safety? These prices are a scam. They're outrageously expensive. A corporate conspiracy.
She's really passionate about chocolate. Ma'am, we need you to calm down.
Never. Not until justice is served. And justice is 1 billion mega choco apocalypses.
Liya, that's enough.
All right, the damage is mostly to merchandise. No significant structural compromise. Given the child's age, formal charges are not applicable here.
Oh, thank goodness.
However, the family will be liable for a restitution fee for the damaged goods.
How much are we talking? Millions? Billions?
Looks like $57.82.
That's it?
Insurance covers the rest. Don't worry about it.
Liya, you are grounded. From everything. No TV, no games, no tablet. For the rest of eternity. Plus 1 billion years.
Fine.
Let's go home now. We're not buying anything anymore.
Put me down now. If you don't, I'll smash up this place.
You'll be confined to your room. You're not allowed to go outside or hang out. No phone and no TV either. Do you understand?
You call this parenting? This is tyranny.
Tyranny? We just saved you from a police report.
And then you punished me for eternity? That's practically a death sentence. A social death sentence.
Darling, it's just grounding.
Just grounding? My human rights are being violated.
Liya, you tore apart a grocery store.
Only because you oppressed my snack-related desires.
That's IT. I've had it. You are ungrateful, destructive, and completely out of control.
And you are a dictator. A chocolate-denying, fun-crushing dictator.
Oh, why does it always come to this? My poor heart. My poor nerves.
It's your fault. All of it.
You think this is our fault?
Yes. My spirit is being crushed by your oppressive regime.
Oh, I just wanted a nice family outing.
This is a nightmare. A never-ending nightmare. I'm not going to say any more, Liya. You'll be grounded until you realize your mistake.
Oh no!
Hit subscribe to follow our new videos every day.